Welcome to ICT University. In this video, we'll unravel the role of a digitizer in the world of touchscreens. A digitizer, in its essence, is any device that can transform non-digital or analog input into a digital output. The term analog is broad, encompassing anything non-digital, and it derives from analogous, meaning the input resembles or is analogous to the original. For example, when you speak, you generate sound waves. To record your voice, you employ a microphone, featuring a thin metal diaphragm that translates sound waves into electrical current variations. These electrical currents are analogous to the original sound waves and can be converted into digital data for reliable storage and reproduction. A digitizer's role is to perform digitization, converting analog information into ones and zeros. In the case of a touchscreen, the digitizer interprets the analog data regarding the precise location where a stylus or your finger touches the screen, using standard X and Y coordinates. These coordinates are then converted into digital information, allowing the processor to execute desired functions. Touchscreens are integral to smartphones, tablets, and even standalone monitors or laptops. They empower users to write, draw, select, highlight, copy, paste, and more, all thanks to the digitizer's input. While touchscreens offer immense convenience, they also require regular maintenance, such as cleaning, and must be protected from accidental damage. In case of malfunction, it's often possible to replace the screen itself, ensuring continued functionality. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoy our video and hope to see you next time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening tech insights from ICT University.